Okay, hi. So today we are going to um, have the installation of Anchor. Okay, so if you know that, it's like Anchor, yeah, Anchor is a framework, and you know that it's a Anchor Lang.coms. Yeah, Encode is a framework for Solana C-level runtimes. So basically, when you are writing a smart contract, which is the Solana programs, usually you need Encode. Okay, so today we are going to show you how to install Encode. Okay, so yeah, we have Node.js and yeah, this installation guidebook. Okay, so we go here to install Rust first. Okay, download this one first. Yeah, we'll just have a quick install. Okay, so we need a Visual Studio downloader installer. Yeah, okay, so okay. Oh, okay, it's pretty fast. Okay, just install. Okay, so it's finished installation. We'll continue. Okay, we skip this. Okay, looks like they need us Visual Basic Development. Okay, it doesn't make a difference. Okay, installation complete. Okay. So if you download the installer, run the program. Okay, we might need a Visual Studio. Let's proceed with installation. Okay, so they're downloading the Rust Cargo, Rust Doc, Rust Standard, Clippy, and Rust Standard. Okay, we're taking some times. Okay, so press enter. Okay, looks like think we have installed it. Let's try the Rasi version. The Rasi version. Let's see. Let me restart it. Okay, start terminal. Rasi version. Let's try. Okay, so there's a Rasi running. Can try update. Okay, Rust update. Okay, so we don't need any update. Okay, nice. So we finish installing this Rust. So now we go to Solana. Okay, Solana we are using Windows 11s. Okay, so Windows this one. Okay, so I think this one is the latest version. Let's go and check. Is it the latest version? Okay, 1.10.32. Where can I check the version? Cargo Rust FMT. Not sure whether we Rust installed already. Rush up version. Rush up version. Okay. Say 1251. So we try update it first. Install update. Okay, no, it's like directly Rust update. Rust update. Okay, so it's updated. So just now we talked about we need to know their version, right? So V1, where to check the version? search Solana version latest release, yeah, 111. Oh, but it's on testnet 110.34. Okay, so it's a release. I think this one is okay, stable release. This okay. So, but this one they say is we need to CMD open via CMD open via admin. Okay, then we copy, then paste. They'll download it to our C Solana install temporarily. Okay, then after it we download it. Okay, you can see that is in C Solana install temporary. Okay, so it's installed. Then we can have, okay, they are checking for updates. Okay, okay, then I think we can try Solana version after Visual Studio Code. I think you can try here also. No, try again. Solana version. Okay, so there's a Solana CLI already. So it's installed. Okay. Um, Download the binary built from source. Okay. So after finish installing Solana, okay, now we need to install Yarn. Okay. Since we are going to need Yarn as a global, I think it's better that we install Yarn through core pack. Okay, so we try it. Check core pack installation. So need to core pack enable through CMD. Okay, so after that we install. So we don't need to install the enable this. It's include by default with all Node.js install. It's currently opt-in. Okay, I think before the version. What is the Node version? 16.16. Okay, so it's included already. So we can directly run this. Okay, so after installing yarns, okay, this one I actually recommend you using this one. Okay, because I try to install using this and then I face some issue with AVM. So I recommend those who are using Windows 11 to use yeah, without AVM. Okay, so we can directly install. Okay, and then get try C Anchor version. Okay, so we have an Anchor plea. Okay, so now we actually have an issues. Okay, so yeah, we need to have the WSL. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let's initiate one um hello Anchor. Okay, hello Anchor, right? Anchor initiate um simply anything. Hello. Okay. Okay, they say it's a program not found, right? Okay, so actually to ease these issues, right, I actually recommends to install this WSL. Okay, because even though you install this yarn, right, after that when you also face a compiling issue, you will face compiling issue too. Okay, so let's say it's like yarn version. Okay, so we didn't install yarn yet. Let's go back to this part. Or maybe I should restart. Okay, open new terminal. Yarn version. So it's not available. Install this compact. Okay, just now it works. Okay, let's try this compact enable first. And then we install this. Okay, actually can work. Actually it works. I don't know why it doesn't work. Running script disabled on these systems. Okay, installing yarn. Okay, I think this one is a better method. Okay, it's an error. Let's try. Does it work? I don't think it works. Okay, yeah. Um, let's see what issue. What issue? Okay, so it's like, yeah, it's already there. Maybe actually already installed. Yeah, so let's force this. It works now. No, yarn version alternative. Okay, we use it in download methods. Install via chocolate. No, okay. This is a better method. Go through this way. Okay, then we restart again. Okay, so there's a yarn version already installed. Okay, yeah. Let's try encore initiate. Hello. Okay, so it's already there. So we can see um desktop user, and then yeah, hello is already here. Then we try encore initiated hello encore. Okay, so you can see that it's like it says like the problem not found, but actually hello encore is already created. Okay, so we try open this file, the folder of hello echo. Okay, choose the order. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so let me show you. We can try so, so the lib.rs. Okay, we can try um compound. Okay, and call test. Okay, so you'll see that is like there is a cargo meta data issues. So that's why we need to install this WSL2. Okay, so let's go to this. Okay, Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay, so since we have 11 Windows 11s, okay, so um, let's see what to do next. Okay, virtual machine platform. Okay, so we need to enable our virtual machine. Okay, about OS build. Okay, let's check our OS build. Is it more than 22,000? Okay, about is it more than 22,000? Yes, of course. Okay, then we go to window features. Turns window feature. Window features. Okay, so it doesn't work. Yeah, this one. Okay, then we need to turns on the VP virtual machine platform. V virtual machine. Okay, we take this. Okay, okay. We don't need to restart. Okay, then we continue to go to yeah this the Microsoft Store, and then we find Windows subsystem. Okay, Windows subsystem for Linux preview. Okay, get this install. Okay, let's wait. Sometimes it's pretty fast. Okay, so this one is set up the okay. So basically, it's set up the Solana environments on Windows. Okay. So basically, set up the environment of Ubuntu. Okay. So okay, open this one. Okay, press with empty distribution code, arrow code. Okay, is there an arrow code here showing? Yeah, okay. I think we can skip that. Okay. Now we go to find Ubuntu. Which version? Okay. Upgrades 1 because 1 then 2204. Let's check 24 2204 is it available? I think you just get this the latest version on this one. Okay. So it'll be taking some time, then I will just post this one. Okay, resume back. Okay, after we download this, um, we start Ubuntu. Okay, search. Okay, this here. Okay, so there's some issue. Okay, we go and search what happened here. I think it's a reason that I didn't restart this computer. Okay, I think I will just stop this, and then since it's just following the the tutorials and install this package. I don't think we need this GUI. Okay, so we just sudo apt update and then sudo full upgrade is good. Then it's just repeat things. You need to sudo apt the update the package informations, okay, which is done here. Okay, then we need to install the Node.js, npm, Rust as well. Yeah, Solana. This one is older versions. Okay, so we go back to just now that one. This okay, Solana. Okay, we download it back. You since it's a we are using Ubuntu, then yeah, it's a Linux. Okay, so I think we'll be using this one to install. Okay, install the Solana, and then yeah, we don't need to install Visual Studio since we have it already. So I think that is how we are going to set up the Anchor and how we are going to use this one. Okay, so I'll attach this uh, comments as well as all these required link in the video below. Thanks. Bye.